So I went ahead and took a break. I went over there and put a scoop of feed in, and the birds came down immediately. Until there's not even room on the platform for all the birds trying to eat it. Maybe some will go to the base of the tree. I see a couple. A lot of finches, house sparrows, and we get Cason's finch here. They're the ones that have the sort of purplish pink on them. And chickadees, black-capped chickadees. In the backyard, this time of year, we have a lot of, what do you call them? Dark-hooded juncos. And I love them, but they're only here seasonally. And I don't know if any are going to come to this platform. They're usually in the backyard, where the majority of the feeders are. The front is more for sorry, I'm distracted. The front is more for our hummingbird feeders, because I keep usually about 5 hummingbird feeders in the front yard. Anyway, I hope you have a really good day. Hope you enjoyed part 2, where you got to see some of the birds actually on the feeder platform. And we'll see you guys next time. And all the birds that live in this tree, the cedar tree of ours. Lots of doves in there.